Welcome to the Restore It Ralph channel. This morning I've got the CJ3B loaded on the trailer. We're heading to the Willys, or Willys, I don't know which way. I always say Willys, I know it's wrong. We're heading to the Willys Reunion. It is a working Jeep show, so it should be pretty fun to see like the Jeep trench and all the attachments working today. These Jeeps, when equipped with a PTO and a 3-point hitch, can pretty much run anything a tractor can. This one had a post hole digger on it. This thing looked like a good way to trim off extra fingers you didn't want anymore. This one was probably my favorite of the show. Duals, Jeep trench, dozer blade, and vintage patina from when it was working. This thing was killer. Jeeps don't have to be pristine to be cool. There was some really nice Jeeps there. There was a lot of Jeeps that were just like working Jeeps and had just been surviving. So lots of cool Jeeps, awesome stuff to look at. It was a great show.
They're raw, you know. But you could use
Oh, it's a bench seat.
yeah.
That's awesome.
And then the 60/40.
I pulled out the dealer a lot. Pulled out a lot. The company, no, it's fuel on.
All right, we are back and unloaded from the Willys Reunion. It was a super cool show. I would highly recommend it. The Jeep ran great. Had a couple offers on it, but I won't sell this thing until it's actually repaired. So lots of cool Jeeps. I would highly recommend that Willys show to anybody that enjoys Jeeps and just farm equipment in general. Thanks for watching the Restore It Ralph channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Enjoy this awesome lineup of Jeeps.